Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly recap of markets for the week ended November 3, 2023. In key macroeconomic news, US Fed kept Fed funds rate unchanged at 5.25 to 5.5% in November 23 FOMC meeting. Fed indicated that current rise in bond yields has possibly reduced the need for further aggressive tightening. The number of job openings in the US increased by 56,000 to 9.55 million in September 2023. This was the highest level in the last 4 months. India's manufacturing PMI fell to an 8-month low of 55.5 in October 23. However, manufacturing activity expanded for the 28th consecutive month. GST collections rose by 13% year-on-year to Rs 1.72 lakh crores, the second highest ever. Average GST collection during April to October 2023 stood at Rs 1.66 lakh crores, which is up 11% year-on-year. Indian markets rebounded from their low to close up by 183 points. The broader markets did even better, with the S&P and BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices ending higher by about 2%. In sectoral gainers, Nifty Realty rebounded sharply to close up 10.4%. Nifty Auto was the only sectoral loser this week with 0.8% decline. In select market movers, shares of CDSL rallied 18% after the company's second quarter profit rose by 35% year-on-year. It also added 80 lakh demat accounts in the second quarter. Shares of macro-tech developers jumped 15% this week after the company reported a consolidated net profit in second quarter versus a loss of 933 crores in the year-ago period. Shares of Archean Chemical declined 15% this week, and its EBITDA fell by 19% year-on-year. Shares of Petronet LNG fell 11% this week after its revenue declined by 22% year-on-year in the second quarter. FIIs continued to be net sellers with net cash sales of Rs 5,500 crores. DIIs, on the other hand, net bought Rs 3,500 crores of equities and cash this week. US markets rallied in anticipation of a dovish monetary policy, which was delivered by the US Federal Reserve. The S&P 500 was up 5.8%. This was the best week for the US markets in calendar year 2023. In this section, we discuss select reports published by the research teams of HDFC Securities. You can access the detailed reports on our website, and the link is shown in the slides. Maruti Suzuki reported stellar performance led by better than expected margins. Maruti Suzuki has now gained 900 basis points market share in UVs. We have increased our target price to Rs 12,052 rupees per share. TVS Motors reported record high 11% margin. TVS has gained about 300 basis points market share in motorcycles. Our team has increased the target price from Rs 1,459 to Rs 1,778 per share and retained a buy rating. Our buy thesis on Larsen & Toubro is premised on its record high order book and higher public capex towards a green economy. We retain a buy with an unchanged target price of Rs 3,600 per share. Navin Fluorine International's second quarter performance was impacted by a deferment of sales orders. We nevertheless retain a buy. We have a target price of 4,616, which has been reduced from Rs 5,371 per share. Our retail research team has come out with a note on Eris Life Sciences. Our team expects a 13.5% sales CAGR over FY23 to FY25. Our team has assigned a base case fair valuation of Rs 914 per share and a bull case fair valuation of Rs 998 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on the screen. Please note that the securities discussed in this presentation were for education and information purposes only. Thank you.